Welcome! Let's explore how mastering data pipelines can absolutely transform your daily software engineering workflows.
Okay, let's dive into this. How do we take totally messy data and move it reliably?
Picture a physical assembly line. Raw materials come in, hit different stations, and pop out as finished products.
At its core, every simple pipeline runs on just three logical steps: extract, transform, and load.
ETL cleans things upstream. ELT, though, it dumps raw data first to leverage those massively powerful cloud warehouses.
And this brilliantly illustrates our point. Let's look at a concrete, real-world example to see this in action. We'll pull weather stats from an API, scrub the formatting clean, and load it straight into a Postgres database.
Batch processing is perfect for daily weather, but for real-time stuff like fraud detection, you definitely need streaming. Think of orchestration as your factory manager. It schedules tasks, manages dependencies, and handles things when they break. Need a tool? Apache Airflow is the battle-tested industry standard, while Prefect gives you a dynamic, Pythonic alternative. Data quality is key. If null values randomly spike to 40%, your pipeline absolutely has to catch it.
Monitoring error rates and checking data freshness is crucial. It stops your system from silently spitting out bad data.
Don't make these rookie mistakes. Never ignore schema drift, always use UTC timestamps, and seriously, plan for backfills.
Here's your cheat sheet. Start with super simple scripts, validate data immediately, and literally expect networks to crash.
Honestly, mastering these data flows perfectly complements your daily software engineering work. It's a total game changer for you.
So, build your pipelines reliably today, guys. Otherwise, you'll be the one fixing them at 2 a.m. tomorrow.